So just a little video here what we do on the 300 like series, because you've got the auto like lights and it's quite like sensitive. So you can see here when I'm turning them actually off and on, nothing's happening. Now that's because I've turned off the light setting in here. So you come into here, settings, display, put like auto mode to off. You can just put your lights on daytime brightness to high. And what we're using is like a Vhedia mode. So the Vhedia mode's going to like dim this at like 5:36. So it's like based on sort of like the sun going down, the sun coming up. It pulls that information from the GPS. And that is just like done by making sure you have a Vhedia mode installed. And then once it's installed, we've got a few videos on that. I'll link below. You like click the mode button on your steering wheel. You bring this up, and you want the sun and the star to be showing. So that's on like auto mode now, and you can see how dim it will be when you're on actual dim mode. So that gives you an idea, and you can actually change how dim you want to have it by coming into here, screen, and choosing the dimness. 20 seems pretty good, but you can adjust that.